Dr. Bill! Shake it. Never. How's it going, bud? Yeah.
Hi, Bill. How's it going?
Hey, good, man.
Good. I'm just coming through here.
No wonder you're storing at Matt's place. You got room. You need more junk, Donnie.
Donald?
I'm not storing anything in Matt's place.
Are you sure?
There were 13 and a halves. And
No,
that was
I saw a few.
where? There's 13s.
12,
Where's the...
13. What about those 4 boxes? We don't know what sizes those are.
Let's see.
I guess the women ones say W.
Okay, that was a 13B. Let's try a 13D. Where's a 13D?
There's a 13 double E.
No, that's too wide. We need a 13D.
Your beggars can be choosy.
No, hang on. 13 double E. I
There's
saw
a B
one
here.
somewhere.
There's a 13B here.
No. Well, that's what we just tried. We need like a 13D.
13 double E, 12B, 13 EE, 12 and a half.
12 and a half double E. See? It's just
8 and a
like,
half.
hang on, what are these two? What are these two? Let's just see. 10 double A, 12B. Hang on, what are these ones? 13D, right here. Let's try this one.
Why do I feel like
This is good. Matt.
This is why all bad.
This could be all bad. Okay, so here, grab that other box
No, I need you to do
and
this.
slide it in there. Hold it. Here, Matt. Okay. Pull this one out and shove that one in.
Which one?
Pull this one out. This one.
I can't. You
This
pull
one.
it out.
Hang on. Hang on a sec. Give me a sec. Pull that one out. Okay. Shove that one in. Quick. Okay.
Where is it?
Okay, let's see. Oh! Hang on. Okay, are we good? There we go. Let's just try this.
What color are they?
I don't know, but it's a 13D as opposed to a B. Let's see. Did I grab the right ones? They're dark brown. Let's just see. My lady. Oh. Those are ostrich.
They're pretty nice.
There's no way that's a 13. 13, made in Canada. Let's see, Matt.
Remember, your sock is thick.
There's no way I can't even get my foot in there. I think these are mislabeled. Yeah, that's mislabeled. That's like a 10. Pull, that's mislabeled. There's no way that's a 13, Matt. Like here, lay it up against this one.
What's that one?
This is the 13. So that's like a 10.
Unless that's a 13 women's.
No, it's maybe.
It says 310.
Yeah, 310. Okay, where's the other one? Those are way too small.
Okay, you're making. Look at this.
Hang on, I'm making a huge mess. Okay, Donnie, they don't fit. And those ones were the right size. Those ones are mislabeled, Donnie. These are the ostrich
It
ones.
says 310 though.
It says 13, but it's like a 10. Let's see. Like those ones, or somebody's gonna want those ones.
Oh, yeah.
That's ostrich.
That's ostrich. Them are nice, eh?
Yeah, but it said 13 and D.
Them ones there are probably $1,500.
Yeah, but it says 13.
There's a really nice pair of 12 triple E's.
They're too short, Donnie.
No, I don't think so.
Donnie,
But they're big.
hang on, let me see if there's one more set of D's. One more set of D's. 13 E's. Bullhide, duotone. What? 13B, 13 double A. 12 and a half, 7.
Why do the E's are too
E's
wide?
are wider, yeah.
So, they're cowboy boots. Here's a 13B.
That's what we tried those, but hang on.
But you haven't. The sizes are
Let's see.
wonky.
Pinto bronze. Hang on. Okay, Matt, pull.
Oh,
Pull.
Jesus.
Pull. Okay.
Watch the bottom one. Watch the bottom one. It's gonna come crashing
Oh,
up.
hold it. Yeah.
Ask Donnie why he has all this stuff.
Kangaroo here. Let's try these ones too, not 13 kangaroo. Double E. Okay, grab this.
Like you're on your own. You want some help? Oh my God, Donnie's making a mess.
Hold that.
We'll pile these back up
Okay, pile these back up.
after you're done your shop.
Donnie, your store needs some better organization. What are these? Canada West. I mean, the size of these ones. What does it say? 8.5. Hang on. Okay.
Oh, look.
Okay, what are these ones? 12 Bs. Okay, these are the ones? No. What are these ones? Not.
Pinto Brown.
Those are the 13 Bs. Okay, grab those out of there.
What else you got?
Hang on, I think that's it. I'm trying to see it. These are 7.5 A's. Those are the ones that would fit Steph.
No, no, she's 7.5 women.
Yeah, well,
Are those women's shoes? Boots?
I don't know. Could be men's. Whatever. Okay, which ones am I trying on? These ones? These ones almost fit. Goes back. I mean, if I actually wore those in the shop. These are the ones that were 10s, right?
Yeah.
Where's the ones I just grabbed?
Those? Is it Pinto Brown?
These are the 13 double E. Why am I here?
What size are these?
13 double E's.
They go in nice.
So they should be wider.
Yes.
Oh,
Because you're 13 on 14, going on 14? And? They fit okay?
they're too wide, I can tell, right?
The swimming?
Yeah, well, like I'm not swimming lengthwise, but I'm swimming widthwise, right? Like boots are supposed to be tight. Right? That's
Are
the
cowboy
thing.
boots eventually comfortable when they're broken in or no?
I don't know. Never had a pair. But these boots I can pull on. I like they're loose, right? Like the heel is up. Hey, let's get out of here. Here, pull.
We got to load up.
Pull, yes. Okay.
Hold on. Hold on, I'm going to help you. 1 second.
These shoes, it takes 2 people to get off and on. Heel first, heel first.
You know where these boxes?
Yes. Okay. Heel first. Heel first. Jesus. Okay, give me those.
The things I do for you. So which ones are you taking?
Okay, come on. What I need is the only one that fit is the one that was 2 different sizes.
But are they 2 different sizes or 2 different boots?
2 different sizes, the same boot.
Just one.
Yes, one was a 13.5 and one was a 14.5.
Yeah, I think they were 2 different boots actually.
Well, no, they were the same boot, Donnie, but
No,
different
someone might
colors.
have switched the box. Someone else tried big sizes on?
Yeah, maybe.
Well, no, they were still in plastic.
Oh, the people put them back properly.
That first pair you had on probably the pair.
Donnie, if they don't fit, I don't need to spend spent $200 on boots I'll never wear. But they're pretty, they're nice boots, Donnie, I will admit. Right? I didn't think you'd be selling such.
Look at this
Yeah,
smell.
but the left one fit perfect and the right's a size too big. These black ones. So that, the black kangaroo ones, Donnie, they're two different sizes. So somebody's got a big foot and a small foot. Yeah, these, like I said, fun, man. Takes two people.
You don't like those for with a thinner sock?
Well, they're so tight on my feet. All I need is blisters. I mean, I buy these for $800 and they fit like gloves.
You should get a pair for Blair for Christmas.
Oh yeah, I'll buy him a pair of boots that I try on. They might fit you, Blair. All we've done is made a mess of Donnie's boot collection. Yeah, they are.
With some plastic.
Some extra plastic. You need every big and tall guy in the country to come in here, Donnie. What pair are you wearing? Oh, I see. You can't even reach down to put them on, Donnie. You need a tow truck to pull the things off. Okay, let's go load your parts, Matt. We've abused Donnie enough.
Yes.
Thanks, Donnie.
Pick up the trash.
I said thanks for letting us abuse you. But those are nice boots, Donnie. How many pairs have you sold?
10 maybe.
Yeah. Okay, where's my coffee? Holy,
Put it on there.
I'm sweating. You made me sweat, Donnie. Well, at least I'm not leaving empty-handed. I'm gonna check for $6,000.
Oh, that's good.
Yes. Okay, bud. Take care. Don't
Okay.
buy junk.
Where's lunch?
Lunch ain't got time. I think you could do without a lunch, honest to God. Love you, Donnie.